Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's been what, a couple days or a couple of weeks, but I wanted to give you guys a rundown of how I spent my birthday and stuff like that. Actually, right now I'm recording and I'm using the new camera that my husband bought. Yes, this camera is super nice, super like everything. It's the Sony ZV-1 and I absolutely love it. It's a good vlog camera. You know, doing makeup, stuff like that, anything in beauty, I recommend this camera. But so I'm using this, so I'm excited about that. Also too, I receive I buy other stuff, so I wanted to show you guys right here, and we're just gonna get into it. But my birthday was, I enjoyed it. Friends and my husband, they made it possible. I had no clue what was going on, so I do appreciate that and stuff like that. You guys saw the vlog on the family channel and stuff. So basically this is just to show you guys, other stuff, and just thanking everybody who wished me a happy birthday. I do appreciate you guys, everybody that posts something, everybody that remembered that it was my birthday, because I did not wake up until like maybe 3 o'clock in the morning. So basically birthday start already and I was sleeping. So I do appreciate you guys and thank you guys so much. Still cancer rules. Anybody who is celebrating birthday in this month and further down, happy birthday when it comes. I hope you guys live to see many more years to come and stuff like that. So yeah guys, if you don't check out the video of my birthday, the little quarantine celebration, make sure you go over the family channel, which is the Carter family, and check that out. So yes, anyway guys, we are gonna go into stuff that I receive, stuff that I buy, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So make sure you like this video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you tell a friend. All right, alright guys, so I'm going to show you what I got and what I bought. I'm in the dark. But Christian, come, I need your help. What a good thing, me not live to impress people. I will never ever live to impress people. I mean, I know I wanna live to impress people. Why? I'm not used to the camera, because I'll be looking right there.
And that's why not, I look here, so now this if you're looking at that.
I'm not looking in the lens.
That's what I like when you up your sucker, you can look same when still looking at.
Yeah, I gotta work on that. But guys, I'm gonna show you what I have right here. Voila.
I know I put it in.
Guys, doing this vlog, this lens was missing. And luckily I decided to do this vlog because I'm excited. This was a $500 how much dollar?
Guys, this lens, guys, I came in the house and I was like, babes, I can't find my lens. But
I was ignoring
babes, but I said to you, I put it in a shoes box. You remember you said? But I said I checked the shoes box, but I never see it, but I really never check it.
But luckily, because I'm not going to wear the shoes for now, because it's all quarantine. So luckily, I, decided to do this vlog. I'm excited now, Because, yeah, it was expensive and it was pissing me off. And then him just forget about it. So, like, me, I said to myself, this is $500 and something.
Babes, you don't know me by now. Babes, I told you all the while, I don't make things pressure me, I send me blood pressure. Yes, guys, I'm upset about it, but every time I remember, I realize I get mad. So, what I do when I can't fix things, I either replace it or just leave it alone. But you would not stress body, you can't believe
every day.
And your pressure would have gone. Guys, learn that. Don't say you don't learn something from me. Whenever things happen and you can't fix it, do not stress over it. Find a solution. And anyways, me did tell us I put in one box, shoes box.
Thank me.
But you never look in your shoes box because you never believe me.
Babe, you put the shoes in the car. We brought
but I remember putting it somewhere. But anyways.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let come all this so we can show them these stuff.
Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for
Oh, you
my
come
shirt.
with the woolly underpants. That was supposed to be funny.
That's not funny.
Alright. So guys, I actually bought two stuff. Anyway, people, so I bought myself a shoes. I love it. I don't know if you guys like it, but I do like it.
When they have a thing called ugly shoes day, like ugly sweater day, you can
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win.
Anyway, it has the whole rose gold foil with blue, da. It's another one like the one we have together. Remember I bought him a shoes and he didn't like it?
Me like it now.
I like it now because y'all see post a picture in it. But this is what I bought myself for my birthday. Yeah, this is our shoes. But I just see it and like it and I, buy it and stuff like that. So let's see if you name the funny box.
What the name of the shoe? The Gucci shoe?
You need a Gucci shoes. And then I get myself a big bag. Like this is a travel bag. This is from Burberry, guys. Listen. One thing, them luxury stuff here always, take care of you.
Don't tell me no, you can carry the orange one.
Well, no, I know Louis Vuitton make a never full. This is actually a never full bag. And I like it. It's different because it has.
So you tell me, see, I name the people in bag now?
I'm just saying, I have the never full too, but this is actually, people walk through airport, you carry all a foreign in your bag right here, so that's the reason why I got this bag. Also, I like it. You like it, babe?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, and then it has the green a little bit.
Tell them about the bag of specialties.
Oh, you can wear it on two sides.
Yeah.
So.
But guys, best believe you will never see her wear it on this side.
I don't think
I'm gonna tell you why she not going
because the Burberry color, this is the original Burberry
yeah, and
color.
she believe that people know that the other inside, yeah. Or maybe, so.
This can hold a wall of faring. So I like it, and then it doesn't have like the black or brown strap. It has the green. Let me show you the difference.
You want me to come with you? No. Anyways, guys, I don't know if y'all together.
Like this. That is why I kind of like it, because this one has brown. So you see the little difference, have one with green and one with brown. So this one is actually a little bit different. I think I bought this for my Christmas, yeah. But we're not focused on that. This is my birthday gift to myself. This big ass bag. Can carry all of frying go Jamaica. The green and the details.
Yeah.
But this is the giant tote, I think. Something like so in here. I just know a Burberry bag. Yes, it is a giant tote. Yeah.
Yeah, a good name again.
Giant?
Yeah,
you
giant
don't think
too.
the never full kind of, but we're not gonna do comparison. So yeah, I like it, and then you can wear it on two sides. Guys, tell me if you guys like it.
Actually, me like that side there too.
This side?
Yeah. So people, say you can wear only one bag and people think are two different bags.
Yeah, if you're wearing something with this color,
you can switch it over, yeah.
Then, it's the same. Nothing looks different because it still has the, sign and everything. This is stressing up.
Why? Flip it?
Yeah. So there we go. Brown, green, however you want to wear it. It's cute on both sides. So this is what I get myself for my birthday when my husband made the day special. And I got me a camera that we're using. Excited about that. And yeah, I'm just excited really to see another day, another year, another milestone, and it's just gonna get better. But this is just something for myself, and it's whatever. We know we are quarantined. Probably just dress up and take one picture and also with it and pull it up as some orange, like him said. Just call it a day. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys what I got myself. So tell me if you like it. Even the shoe. This is a struggle.
The struggle is real.
The struggle is real, people. I want you guys to tell me if you guys like the shoes. can wear it together?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Tell me if you guys like the shoes. I like it. You know what? Because it has different colors with the orange inside. Then this round the back, it have the brown foil and the rose. What is pink? Rose gold, the green, you know, the brown. I think I like it. It's little. It's different. Yeah, so I like it. I like it. Yeah, guys. So this is it. Just wanted to share it with you guys. I know I'm a little bit late, but to been get it from the birthday. I think the bag come on my birthday. When was my birthday?
20.
No, the bag actually, you know what? They come. I get the shoes before and the bag came before. My birthday was a Tuesday. The bag came the Sunday. So yay! I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me if you like the bag and the shoes.
Yes. And if y'all think the shoes and the bag could wear together.
You think so?
Yeah. With that side.
You trust me. You think you wear anything? If you put it on green and red.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Plaid.
I don't wear green and red plaid.
Plaid. Hear?
I don't wear green and red plaid.
Hear me?
If the shoes is red, then it complements.
No.
No. Guys, she be just doing color code matching. I don't be doing that stuff. But
anyway, guys, until my next upload, thank you guys for watching.